hell are you guys doing in there? How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the video. I know that intro was a little cheesy, but you know, we gotta have some fun with it, right? Gotta keep it interesting, keep it new. So this is just a real quick video because I thought I would ask you guys, how do you check your oil in your VQ? I know there's a lot of different ways. People have said, check it when it's cold, check it when it's warm, sand down some of that towards the end of the dipstick so the oil will catch on to it. Others said you don't need to do anything, pull it out slowly, pull it out kind of quickly. I'm gonna show you how I do mine because it's different. I'll show you. All right, so here's my engine bay, pretty dirty. I gotta clean it. But here's my dipstick. Got the Tommy Kyra dipstick cover right here, and guys, I don't check this. It's just too big of a pain in the ass to try and check it, because this is why. Like, here, I'll start pulling it out. If I can even get it out, my heat shield's kind of in the way. So I pull it out, right? It literally hits everything on the way out. There, finally. And as you see, literally the whole thing is coated with oil. Now, I guess some of it kind of caught on the end there. I might be a little overfilled, maybe, I don't know. But that's how I check mine. It just hits everything. Let's see if I can even try and get it back in there. Oh, nope, hold on. Story of my life, guys, trying to get it in the hole. I might need some assistance. Oh, hold on. Oh, there we go. So yeah, as you can see, it hits my shield, hits my intake. I have oil on my intake right there, down in there. It's just, I can never get an accurate reading on this thing. So that's why I just kind of gave up on it. I just kind of go off of the mileage and I kind of guess. Usually if I do my oil change at exactly 3,000 miles, I'm usually about maybe 1.5 quarts low. And I'm low because I have one big oil leak or multiple oil leaks. I still haven't tracked that down yet. I've just been super lazy. I know for a fact it's not coming from my valve covers, so that's good. I was able to reach back there with a paper towel, kind of after a day of driving, wipe it and see if there's any oil residue. I didn't see any, and also there's never oil in my spark plugs the 2 times I've replaced those. So I'm thinking it's coming from the maybe the stock oil cooler or the part where the oil filter screws on. I think it's something in there. But yeah, let me know in the comments, guys, how you check your oil. Maybe I'll try some of your suggestions. That actually worked out a lot better than I thought it would. Usually it's a huge pain in the ass trying to get this thing out. But yeah, I guess that's how I check mine. I really don't. And I really don't suggest that either, because I've definitely ran this car low on oil all the time, and she's still going strong. Don't know how. I'm probably the worst owner ever, but I guess I do enough to keep her going. So yeah, just a little quick fun video. Let me know how you guys do it, when you check it, how many miles. Have you sanded down that end part? Do you check it when it's cold, when it's warm, whatever? Let me know. I might give it a shot because I kind of want to start doing a little bit better on maintenance wise for this thing. I would love to have this car last a bit longer, you know. So I guess now let's just do some panning shots of my dirty car. Got some black wheels on my car, guys. Custom, just painted them. Let's go. Decided to do a green wrap, green color on it. Dig it, looks good. Black roof, always. Got some custom white decal vinyl on there, just to, you know, my sponsor. Oh yeah, she's looking mint.
Yeah.
Didn't even get to cross.